Hey y'all, it's Vernice and I am back with another video. I'm just gonna hop on here really quick and show y'all how I do my puff when I have an old wash and go and I need to do something with it really quick. So let's just jump right into it. The only things you'll need for a puff essentially is just some water. This is cool water. This was like one of those little headbands, but I cut it and just makes it easier for me to pull my puff in. If you want to be fancy, you know, get your toothbrush so you can swoop them edges, okay, and some edge control. And I'll most likely be using Bay. So let's just jump into it. So obviously the first thing you do is I normally just spray water like around the perimeter of my hair, just because I really don't need water in the middle. And then I just kind of, you know, slick it up a little bit. Yo, I go overboard with water a lot. Take my brush. I mean, your hair can never be too, well, let me not say that, because your hair can be too moisturized, if I'm being honest. But for the most part, I'll just take the back. I might put a little gel on there. I'm opening this up, y'all. And I'm just going to get me a glob of gel and just kind of do. Yo, struggle life. And then the back, do that. Brushed it in there. Brush my bob head. And my hair really needs to be washed. Today is technically my wash day. It's Sunday. I normally wash on Sundays. So I have fresh hair for the week to work with. And I have to go through the week scratching my scalp. About to scratch my head off. So after that, I just take my little string and so I take it and then I do this, boop, and I just bring it back and bring this up. And depending on how high you want your puff to be, you can bring it up some more, and then as you tighten it, it'll just come up a little bit more. But I think I'm gonna go for like this length today. I'm just kind of tug on my hair a little bit. So after I did that, I tightened my little things, my little headband. You can tuck it, but I prefer to use bobby pins just to secure it. So I take my little bitty bobby pin, and just secure it in place. Cover it up with some hair and repeat for this side. Grab a little bobby pin. Like I said, you can tuck it, but I just prefer a bobby pin. Take a bobby pin, ow, and then secure it. And I kind of pick it out a little bit just to make it look a little fuller. voila. And I think I'm gonna do me some little edges real quick just so my 5 head won't be out here shining bright like a diamond or whatever. So I'm gonna take this little piece out. Do the same for this side. And I'm just gonna, with the toothbrush, just brush some of those out. She was snagging on something. I like to go ahead and kind of, before I lay down my edge control, just go ahead and kind of map out what I'm gonna do. Nothing fancy. Hit it with the edge control, and you can just like put your toothbrush in the edge control too if you want to, or you can use your fingers, either way. Whatever works for you. I'm just gonna do the toothbrush today and just swoop that on in there. And do the other side. Is it just me, or does like one side always, like when you're doing your edges, it always just comes out perfect, like without you even trying? I feel like that's how this side is doing today. Like, I didn't even try. I had to put a little effort into this side, which is weird because most of the time it is this side that does really well without me putting the effort into it. But anyhow, so that up in there, I'm just going to and those ends will curl up here in a little bit. But that's it. That is my puff, my go-to when I need to look presentable or somewhat presentable and I'm trying to just rush real quick. So yeah, that's it. After this step, you can actually, if you wanted to look a little more sleeker, you can actually get a scarf and tie it around your head, and it'll just kind of lay your edges and everything in place. And then that's it. You could leave it on there for like while you do makeup or finish up whatever you're doing, getting dressed, and when you get done, it'll come out super sleek and slayed. Okay, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.